Good, good afternoon, folks in the East Coast, and good morning for the West Coast people. My name is Ilya. You can follow me as Fat Mooney on my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can like it so I can post some videos like these in the future, or some other videos with related. Anyways, to start off, here's a COD's website of what Milton looks like. Let me see you play for the past 24 frames. See? But you can go here and go to 20 frames. You can see where. Sorry, it's nighttime, you don't see anything. So let me use a. Is that right? There you go. So this is the past 20 frames of Milton. See, the eye has disappeared because making that eye replacement cycle. And now the iris is gone. Another eye is returning, means that the eye replacement cycle is almost over. It's over. You see again. Eye disappears because it's undergo an eye replacement cycle. So it weakened down to a Cat 4 overnight. But when the EIR ended, the eye came back, and the storm's now intensifying again. The eye came back, now it's intensifying again. So you can see on my the flashes. You see the flashes? Sorry about it. See the flashes? Like near the center. That tells you that the center is strong. Then the lightning disappeared, and now it came back. Lightning came back. So here's the upper level. This is the upper level water vapor. Let me zoom out. Here you are. You see Dryad to the north right now. Oops, sorry about it. I need to remove that lighting detection thing. Sorry about that. Anyways, you see in the shaded color here, that's dry air. You see ahead of it, moist air. As this system currently impacting north of Yucatan Peninsula, moving north, like Norfolk. Basically bringing some rough conditions for people like in Cancun, Isla Mujeres, Playa del Carmen. As this system starts to raise on its way towards, you guessed it, Florida. Sometime tomorrow. Maybe Thursday, if the system slows down. Here's the mid-level version. And the low-level version. No, it's anything just north. That's dry air. Is it affecting Milton? No, it's not affecting Milton. Although there's some dry air ahead of it. But since the storm is intensifying again, it's fanning that. But if you see the cloud tops like fanning out like this, fanning out. Like you see it fanning out. That means that something like a seer is starting to briefly affect the system. Seer. Let's go back to 12 hours. There you go. can't see it yet on the mosaic radar here. So here's a two-card overview. This you see is a satellite representation of what Milton's right now. This is a satellite perspective of Milton. You see this? That's look like a boundary. So I was wondering, this Milton, well, as right now, according to the ANC right now, Milton's Leslie is down to a tropical storm. You see layers. No further land. No further land. It's gonna be winds of 70 miles, moving to the northwest at 13. Its focus will stay in that direction until AM Thursday, then starts making a turn north on AM Thursday, then becomes a post-tropical by AM Friday. It goes out to sea and weakens. The winds may affect the Azores next week. But that is not the biggest concern. The biggest concern is Milton. Let's look at that 20% disturbance. See here. Pause if you want to read this. Sorry, it's a lot. Pause if you want to read this. And Sunday forecast. See another system right here. But that's not the biggest question. This could affect real, but that's not the biggest question. The biggest question is Milton have winds of 155 miles. This is a 10 a.m. update. But here's the 1 p.m. update. 1 p.m. update. Known Hurricane Watson warning simulations for all around the west coast of Florida and the east coast of Florida. Places like Tampa, Naples, Bonita Beach, Salado Harbor, Cape Coral, St. Petersburg. Anyone in this path of major hurricane Milton could make landfall as a Cat 3. Right now it has winds of 155 miles with high gusts. You see in his red, his hurricane warning is continuing right now. But those conditions right here will be over in a few hours. Conditions here will improve in a few hours. Will improve, but the condition in this area right here will start to deteriorate sometime today or tomorrow. So folks, if you're not part of this storm, today's your last day to start preparing. Don't freak out saying, "Oh, it's a Cat 4." Dude, it's gonna weaken to the sea to a Cat 3. It's gonna be a big storm, but still folks become a Cat 3. And due to the lot size, Bahamas is under 12,000 watts. Here's this potential rainfall amount of Milton. Rainfall amounts. And here's the key charts. Anything in the light green, that's 1 to 2. Anything in the dark green is 2 to 4. Anything in the yellow is 4 to 6. And so on. The core of heaviest rain is so far focusing mainly north of Orlando, Tampa, but the tracks for the south. But due to the sea increasing, the heaviest rain is be to the north. But it does not mean Tampa's out of the. It does not mean Tampa will be out of the problem. Here's the current watts flood. The high risk including Tampa Bay and Orlando. That's the biggest threat. But the other biggest threat is the storm surge. Anything for the north of, let's say, the Big Bend, 1 to 3. Then you go to portion of Big Bend, 3 to 5. Then for the south, near a storm, 10 to 15. Then you go for the south, even though the storm's going to stay to the north, it's still going to feel the impacts of the storm. You can see in the latest track guides, some saying, "Dude, it's only the coast." Then go to the next hurricane Gulf and look. The whole entire Florida is under at least what? Alerts. You click on this. This is, yes, you guessed it, Mobile, Florida. You see the whole entire area is under a hurricane warning. Let's see, you got Tampa. Look what it says. Tropical storm conditions possible, with hurricane conditions possible, mainly tomorrow. Mainly tomorrow. Then the conditions start. Then the conditions start. What's called tapering off on Thursday. But it's beginning tonight. The worst effect's not gonna be tomorrow. The worst effect. Let's say Sarasota. Like another one, like Sarasota. Same story. But there's a warning is different here. You see a hurricane conditions expected. Does not mean this is the only LC hurricane force winds. Tampa will still see it. You go inland, I say Leesburg. Still seeing at least some tropical storm, maybe some hurricane force. Hence the hurricane warnings inland. Anything's in this color here, that's a hurricane, that's a tropical storm warning. And anything in this pink color here, that's a storm surge warning for up to 15 to 20 foot surge. So to end this hurricane up, this storm, oh, forgot the topic tidbits now. Now focus mouse. Here's it looks like now. Here's the current wind speed again. Here's the pressure. Here's the current intensity. Focus weakening because I'm saying about the sea, it will be increasing. Here's the track, guys. No one's, it's considered me on Tampa. So it basically means Tampa, look out. This may be a one in a lifetime, a long time in history, you have a major hurricane hitting you guys. I know you guys missed Hurricane Ian's intensity a couple years ago, since it made landfall for the south, like Bonita Beach and Naples for the south. This was, there will be a different story. So now, consensus guidance. So I'm zooming closely right here because if that's what main biggest concern. After that, it's going out see may affect Bermuda. It's but the biggest question, biggest ones right here, was back Florida. So if anyone in Florida, including I-4, today's the last day to start preparing, because tomorrow the conditions gonna get worse. Once again, if you're in Sarasota, Florida, Kissimmee Keys, Florida, Orlando, Florida, and especially Tampa area, today's your last chance. Impacts will go as far north as Jacksonville, heavy rain, and as far south as Miami, heavy rain, and some gusty winds, and also some surfs. Here's the European model, but I'm not focused on that. I'm focused on this. This you see here is a 250 millibar winds. And now it's light. 250 millibars. But you start seeing as the storm gets closer, you can see the sea starts increasing. But however, European winds is again strengthening. And it makes landfall in Tampa. But it'll be weakening, but the sea is going to impact it. Here's a DFS model. Strains. Someone might want to strengthen it. We strengthen again. So all I know that this is gonna be a powerful hurricane. Even though it's not gonna be a Cat 5 anymore or a Cat 4 at landfall. It's only be a Cat 3, maybe a Cat 2. Its impacts may still be focusing there. So, to end this video out, let's go to the SPC Outlook and click on Wednesday's Outlook. You have a slight risk right here, a slight risk. For right here, slight risk for 5% tornadoes and 5% wind. But the effects may start as early as today. Impacts lingering into Thursday, lingering. So the biggest threat it's for Tampa will be storm surge, flying rains, heavy rains, maybe some tornadoes. But that's mainly south of you, south of Tampa. And to end it up, let's go to the rest of the country. See the high pressure in the Midwest? The northeast is a cool down. Maybe some rain showers, possibly some snow showers, some snow. Then you see another cool down coming in, but mainly to the north stays. And in fact, mainly Maine. As the west coast means dry. Except for storm coming in at the 15th storm system. Maybe some snow in the mountains. Yes, for snow for the mountains. And possibly some snow in the Dakotas. More on that stuff in a bit. The more we talk about this, more of these stuff, like these snow from south, after when this Milton passes. Right now this is only a glimpse of what it looks like. Glimpse. Here's the AI model. Sorry this is a long video today because it's a lot to talk about. Once again, I'm just going briefly for these because the biggest problem is Milton. The biggest problem is this system right here. See here, this system right here. That's the biggest problem. After as the storm passes, we'll talk more about the mountain snow and right here, mountain snow. Talk about it in the DFS. But first, we'll talk about this. In a few days, we'll start talking about the mountain snow U.S. forecast. Until then, stay safe, everyone, and especially Florida. Good luck, people in Florida. Stay safe, and I'll see you again possibly tomorrow.